Hi, and welcome to PI at the Laser World of Photonics. Let's have a look at the challenges in seam sealing of electronic packages using a pulsed laser source. Okay, so in this demonstration, we're going to talk about how synchronization of the laser to the part profile can be done extremely effectively. Well, let's talk about the application. To protect sensitive electronic components from contaminants seeping in and to ensure safe and reliable operation, the components housing must be sealed hermetically using a laser source. The laser source is used as a tool that provides high welding speeds and produces fine welding seams with narrow welding radiuses. The advantage of precision laser welding is the contactless application of the laser's energy, which avoids stressing the housing either thermally or mechanically. So in our demonstration, we have an XY stage system. It's ball screw. It's economically suitable for these applications. It still provides a good speed of motion using the servo motors. And one of the things specifically to this layout is that we're using foldbacks for the motors, which means that the XY space is much smaller than having the motor sticking out at the end. On the vertical axis, to minimize the height of the machine, we again use a foldback. The foldback motor also has a brake and an absolute encoder to protect the laser welding head from colliding with the part. Now, the synchronization of the laser source to the part profile is done through a component called an LCI, a laser control interface. And this allows us to overlap the laser welding pulses very accurately as we go round the profile. For more information, just contact us, visit our website and follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.